Hello, students. In this audio module English test, you will see a list of questions on the screen. You will have 20 seconds to read these questions carefully. After the time is up, an audio clip will play. Please listen to the audio attentively, as you will need to answer the questions based on what you hear. In the early 20th century, wolves in North America were nearly wiped out. This was due to heavy hunting and habitat loss. Farmers and ranchers saw wolves as a threat to their livestock, and governments offered bounties for killing them. By the 1920s, wolves had nearly disappeared from most parts of the United States. But the disappearance of wolves had an unexpected consequence. Without wolves, the populations of prey animals, such as deer and elk, grew rapidly. These animals overgrazed on vegetation, damaging the landscape. Trees and plants struggled to grow, and this affected other species, like birds and beavers, that depended on the environment. In the 1990s, scientists reintroduced wolves to Yellowstone National Park. The effects were almost immediate. As wolves hunted the deer and elk, the vegetation began to recover, forests and rivers flourished once more. The return of wolves also helped other species thrive. Beavers returned to build dams, and birds came back to nest in the revived forests. The story of the wolves in Yellowstone teaches an important lesson about ecosystems. Every species plays a role in maintaining balance. When one species disappears, it can create a domino effect, leading to unforeseen changes. Protecting wildlife and understanding their roles is essential for the health of our planet. Today, the wolves in Yellowstone are a symbol of how nature can heal when given the chance. The successful reintroduction of wolves has become an example of how conservation efforts can restore balance to ecosystems that have been disrupted.